Today's recipe is this delicious sheer khurma recipe, so let's start cooking. For this recipe, I will be using 2 liters of milk. This is 4.8%. So before turning the stove on, I will just pour the milk in my pot. Now what I'll do is I will start boiling this milk, but before that, just see how creamy this milk is. Now I'll just boil this milk and then I'll start slow cooking it and reduce the quantity of milk. After the milk has boiled, I'm just stirring it continuously on low flame till the milk reduces at least by 20%. My flame is on the lowest flame, and now I'll just add a can of condensed milk, stirring it continuously, and this will add the sweetness to my recipe. It's up to you. If you want the sweetness less, you can either add half a can of condensed milk, you can add quarter can, or you can add a whole can of condensed milk like I did. And I will be again cooking this down a bit. It's been exactly 10 minutes since I have been stirring the milk and the condensed milk together, and I also did a taste test and I feel there's less sugar in this milk, and I know it's surprising, but to my palate the sugar is still less. So right now I will be adding about quarter cup of sugar to this milk, and I will continuously stir till I feel the milk is sweetened to my liking. It's been exactly 15 minutes since I stirred the milk with the condensed milk and sugar. I gave it a taste test, and now what I'll do is I'll turn the stove off and I will move on to the next step. I will be using some desi ghee for this recipe. I prefer using this ghee. I don't like using vegetable ghee because it has some kind of flavor to it which I don't like in my cooking. As well as I will be using some almonds. This all depends on how much you want to use for your recipe. As well as I will be using some roasted savior, also known as vermicelli. So let's start making this. I've just turned my stove on and I will be adding a tablespoon of ghee to the frying pan, and I'll wait till the ghee melts. Now that the ghee has melted, I'll add in approximately 1/3 cup of almonds. Now you can add more or less depending on how you like your sheer khurma. I think I'll add a little more almonds. And on the lowest flame, start sauteing the almonds till they turn a light golden brown, and continuously stir while you're roasting the almonds. I will be gathering the almonds to one side because I will be pouring this into my sheer khurma. So let's do that. So now let's pour these hot almonds into the sheer khurma and continuously stir the sheer khurma, otherwise the milk can curdle. I'll move on to the next step. Turn the flame on to the lowest. Now I'll add in half a tablespoon of ghee and I'll wait for the ghee to melt. While waiting for the ghee to melt, I will take some savior and I'll start breaking it into smaller pieces. I've just taken a handful of savior because as the milk cools down, the savior absorbs the milk and the sheer khurma becomes a bit thicker. It's best not to use too much savior for your recipe, and if you feel the savior is less, then you can most certainly repeat this method and add it to your sheer khurma. Now, sheer khurma can be served warm or cold. It's a personal preference. I personally prefer warm sheer khurma, but it's up to you. Roast the savior in ghee till it changes in color slightly, and continuously stir because you don't want savior burning in the ghee. Now you can serve the sheer khurma with fried pistachios, like we fried the almonds. Same way you can do fried pistachios. You can also serve it with sliced anji, that's figs. You can also serve it with raisins. This is well roasted. I'll turn the stove off and I'll add this to my sheer khurma milk. What I like doing is I collect all the savior to the corner of the pan. It's important to stir the sheer khurma while adding the savior so that the sheer khurma doesn't curdle and all your hard work doesn't go to waste. So continuously stir the sheer khurma after adding in the savior. This delicious sheer khurma is ready to serve. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please comment. Please click on the bell icon for notification of my latest videos. And thank you for watching. Enjoy!